Hello, friends. This is quite a departure from the videos I normally do, but I thought this was just so astounding. I wanted to share this with you. If you have a septic tank, I cannot tell you how fortunate you would be to have one of these. I got this used off of eBay. They sell new for like 150 bucks. But it is so efficient. The amount of lint that I got off a small load of clothes just totally blew my mind. And I felt it was important, but when you could visually see, how much it accumulated in just one wash with just a few pieces of clothes, because I was anxious to see how it worked, So I didn't even have a full load. So I want to just take time to show this to you. They had made them a number of years ago, and there was some design flaws, and they quit making them. And I don't know when they started again, because I just ran up on it, the second time. Actually, there's not much conversation about it, and if you own a septic tank and you're going to have, there's maintenance that needs to be done to it, and this would so reduce the maintenance, and it would increase the life of your septic system. So this would give us more money for our hobby, chainsaws, and so I was just sharing it with you today. I'll quit speaking and I'll let you listen another second, and next time you see me, we'll be talking about chainsaws again. Okay. I hope you find this useful, and I tell you, you really need one.